as a place is so important in historical aspect, and somehow history of the place give us some direction. We cannot just produce something and present what we are working in different place. This is creation which is absolutely connected with this place, so this is big inspiration.
Definitely it was a great inspiration because I saw like many pictures, many like videos, but to be there, to feel the energy of this space, it's something special. So I think I want to work with this energy and to create something really specific for this space that the audience could feel the history even more.